Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a first impressions video on the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Here it is. It came in the mail yesterday. I'm so excited to try this and give you my honest opinion and reviews. I've seen a couple of videos on it, and I really like how the salon, like whenever I go to get my hair done, how it looks when it gets blow dried. And I've tried many times to do it myself, but I don't have the skills to hold a hair dryer and use the brush. And I've tried, but it always comes out like frizzy and not very nice at all. So as you can tell, my hair color changed from the last video. I was thinking of making a YouTube video on like my hair dyeing process and how I've been doing it, what I've been using for shampoo and conditioner, kind of thing like that, and what I've been doing to keep it healthy, because when you go blonde, it's very easy to like damage your hair and not do what you need to do to keep it healthy. So yeah, that's just, if you want to see what my hair ends up looking like and if this is worth all the hype, then just stay tuned and keep watching. So the first thing I do is I spray my hair with heat protectant. This one I got in the Birchbox last month. It's called the Oi All-in-One Milk, and it does many things. Kind of reminds me a lot of it's a 10. It's a detangler, it's like heat protector, shiner, all those things. But I just spray. The one I usually use is from Tresemme, and I like that smell better. The first thing I'm going to do is divide my hair. We'll see how long it takes. Right now it is 11:44. I have to go to work at 1:30, so we'll see. Obviously we'll be done before then, but I want to see how long it takes. But this is what this looks like. Again, I bought it in the mint color, but they also come in pink. I just thought this was a cuter color because this is more me. And there's 3 settings. There's cool, low, and high. Here's what cool sounds like. Here's what low sounds like. And here's what high sounds like. We'll start off with low because, I don't know, it's kind of pretty much almost dried already. I just want it to do this blow drying effect. I like when the ends are like curled up a little. It has that twist. But so far, feels good. What I really like so far is that it has this thing like on the top and it doesn't get hot. So I'm holding on to that and I'm twisting it as I go. All right, I see you. Let's try this again though. Tell you one thing, my hair is really, really soft. You see the flip? Does it flip? Maybe if I play with it some more, I'll figure out how to do the flippy part at the end. And I really like how it feels. And here's the final look. What do you think? Leave comments down below. I'll show you the back. I think it's totally worth it. It is currently 12:04, so it took 20 minutes to do my hair. So that stayed the same, but for what I usually do is blow dry my hair like with the blow dryer by itself and let it like dry. And then I take my straightening iron or my curling one, depending on what my hair, like what style I want to do to my hair. But with this thing, it's like I do it all at one time, so I don't even have to spend time on like actual blow drying it before because it's doing it at the same time, and it feels really soft. Like I wish you can feel my hair, but it's super soft. I really like it. I think it's worth the hype. $50 is not bad for something like this. For my first impression, I totally give this a 9 out of 10. Why not a 10 out of 10? Because I think it's just a little too big. Like for my root, my hair is naturally wavy, as you can see, so it wasn't that bad. But for someone who has really curly hair, I feel like it would be very hard to get to the root with this giant brush, you know? I'm not a pro or even that great at blow drying my hair, so I'm really glad that someone invented a tool like this that has the brush and the blow dryer in one, because I just can't do it by myself. I don't really have anything bad to say about it. I really enjoy the shininess. I enjoy the smoothness. I wish it had a little bit more volume, but I think that's just how my hair is. If you are thinking of buying this and you wasn't too sure about it, I say go for it. It's totally worth it. Again, I'll have the link on the description bar below. I believe you can buy it at like Target and Walmart. It might be a little bit more expensive. Remember it being cheaper on Amazon, so I'll just put the Amazon link below. And if you try it, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.